When might you need a locksmith for your business? Who do you call to protect your business? Are your doors secure? How do you control who has access to your facility? Are your employees making spare keys without your knowledge? Commercial locksmiths offer a wide variety of services. They can work on everything from basic keys to installing door hardware and setting up master key systems. A professional locksmith will have a deep understanding of building codes and door hardware for both the safety of occupants and regulation compliance. They'll be able to pair physical door hardware with electronic access and even video surveillance options. For basic services such as lock rekeying or lock repair, a commercial locksmith will be able to give you an honest price before coming out to the job site. Photos or videos can always help determine more exact pricing. For more complicated jobs, a site survey may be needed, but in the end, our locksmiths will identify the most cost-effective method to get the job done. For example, comparing products that require running wire versus wireless options. Product pricing may increase, while labor pricing can decrease. Additionally, commercial locksmiths carry grade 1 door hardware and high security locks that offer key control protection. As locksmiths, we want to sell and install locks and hardware that are specifically meant for repeated use in high traffic doorways to limit failure and repeated site visits for repairs. For an instant quote from a verified commercial locksmith in your area, visit 1-800onlocks.com.